Dev Bros.
Because that actually took me kind of a while to make with like this one you see over here. Like this actually took me a while to make. Since I don't really want to have you wait that much time to get it as even as possible as this. Like, cause like you just gotta make sure the corners are as good as possible. So this is probably what you're gonna just do. You're just gonna get a square. Then you do this. Then you're gonna want to do this. I don't know, make it like bend it however you want, but it kind of has to like be like this around that like. So you're gonna make it far out. Then you're gonna duplicate this. Take this and this. Oopsies. And now you're gonna do this. And then does this look even, guys? I think so. Now going to do this. And then you turn these four into a union. I mean, not union, negated part. And then, I mean negative, I don't know. And then you're gonna do this. And then there you have it. Your very own fresh union. And by the way, make sure you color it like before like you union it, because then it won't let you change the color. But you still can change the material. So I'm gonna go snow. Like, this wasn't my best efforts because I'm trying to make this video quick and easy. Like, this is my best efforts. Like, you see the comparison, but this is actually pretty good for a starter. And why did it despawn again? Okay, anyways, that's all for today. By the way, you rate this video in the comments. That's all for today, and goodbye.